2 women in Florida dress as old grannies to get the vaccine.
Is that all you have to do in Florida? Like,
what?
don't you have to register?
Yeah, you gotta be
and like actually.
No,
you
just gotta be 65 or older. Oh. And this was a 34-year-old and a 44-year-old woman that dressed up as grannies in order to get the vaccine so they could receive their second shot. They effectively got the first shot.
Oh.
But when they went for the second shot, they got called out. And the police actually figured them out and banned them. And I don't know if they want to press charges or what. Here's the quote. You know what you have done? You've stolen a vaccine from someone that needs it more than you. And now you're not going to get your second one. So that's a whole waste of time. We just wasted here on this. So we're at the point right here, but just for your selfishness of stealing a vaccine.
Whoa.
And then they follow it up. Okay, this is a trespass warning. You are hereby warned that you are not licensed or incited to be on these premises and may be arrested if you refuse to leave or return at any time in the future at this building or the other buildings, the parking garage, everything, anything, the whole property here. It's ridiculous that you're even here right now. That's what the deputy said. Not very happy, obviously. Now, what's weird is they didn't look super old in the video clip that I found, but maybe their disguises were already taken off because the original article that I read suggested that they were wearing like a bonnet and like old lady outfits, but that's them there. You can play a little bit of the clip if you want. This is them getting caught. They seem kind of apologetic. I mean, even though I guess people are not going to be.
That's a whole waste of time we just wasted here on this. And we're not even sure if they're going to press charges against you and take it.
Now, I don't know if they had false identification to go with it. They must have, right? Because at some point you have to ID yourself. Mm-hmm. So they must have been doing both. Scamming the ID and then also the physical disguise. But they got figured out. Somebody knew they weren't what they said they were. And obviously people really want this vaccine and they're going to some pretty extended type of approaches here in an attempt to do it. Obviously nobody wants this type of thing here. No,
I guess they got the first one.
Yeah.
And then maybe
they went back for the second.
Really wanted the second one.
Well, no, because no, they got the first one disguised as old ladies too.
Oh.
They got found out coming back for the second one.
Oh.
So they weren't able to get the follow-up, and depending on these vaccines, the effectiveness, has to do with how many doses and everything else. But how about that? That's a state of 2021. We got people dressing up as old ladies trying to get vaccines on a Wednesday in 2021.
Yeah.
I don't know if it was a Wednesday, but